They say it's not the camera, but the photographer that makes a great image. So what actually happens when you take experienced photographers and give them entry-level or outdated gear? Get ready to find out. I'm going head-to-head with photographers with inexpensive photography equipment that we normally wouldn't use. This is the Budget Photography Gear Shootout. This video is sponsored by Canon and Canon printers. This is Vanessa Joy. This is Budget Photography Gear Shootout with this guy. Shebang. Peter Hurley needs no introduction. He is a Canon Explorer of Light fellow. Canon Explorer of Light. Yes.
That's right.
And we are going to shoot headshot style, his worlds, not really my world, his worlds, with this beauty. This is the EOS N50 Mark II. It's a great camera. It's not like budget, like it's cheap. It's just not your R5. It's not your 1DX3. It's not your top of the line flagship camera. It is less expensive. And I have actually a little bit more expensive lens on here, the 32mm 1.4. It's an EFM mount lens, nice and light and little. Not as little on the pocket, but it's great to shoot headshots with, I think. We'll find out. Here's the rules. Each photographer will shoot to their heart's content, and then it's time for editing and printing. After seeing our printed photos, it's up to you to determine which photographer's photo you like best.
All right, hair's blowing. Watch right here. Perfect. Stand up real straight. Jam your forehead out, chin down. Keep your heads very straight for me, like this. Right like that, right like that, right like that. Drop your hands. Don't worry about your hands. The focus is focusing in a strange place. There we go. We got eye focus. Beautiful. No, come on. That one that was perfect. Hit the hair out of it. Get the hair out of it. We got a win situation, people. Guys, if you ever get real laughter, you got to just shoot it. Beautiful. Get the hands out of there. I don't want any of that crap. Hold that.
I have nice hands.
I'll use your hands. Don't worry, I'll use your hands.
I don't need hands. I don't even know what we're getting.
It's going to be hand modeling.
Good? This looks pretty good. Look at this thing. Sharp as a tack at 2.0. Holy smokes. All right, hold on. I'm at a 200th of a second. We can go a little less. That's it. Less modeling. Stop that. Stop doing that. Stop that. Look in the lens, don't look at me. Jam your forehead out, chin down a little bit. Tilt your head towards the Empire State Building slightly. Isn't there, there's one here. We got good light, good. Good, good. Slightly less miserable than that, please. Good, that's a chin down. I'm a smiley photographer, like people have to look energetic. Give me a look like you have less makeup on.
But I have a ton of makeup on.
Beautiful, I love that. I love that, I love that. Oh my gosh. Chin down, chin down, chin down. The lips are good. Chin down a little bit. Good. Slight smile right there. Chin down a little bit more. Beautiful. I want you gazing. More like a gaze.
Anybody have a dictionary?
All right, your 10 minutes are up. He's just going to keep entertaining himself. He won't stop. Give me the camera. I'm going to do something similar, but I'm going to grab something. Budget. Real quick. This will do. This will do.
And your daughters are so cool.
Okay.
Oh,
I got Phil.
Yeah.
oh, wow.
She's got her buddy Phil over here. Again, she doesn't have an assistant. She got to do this with one hand, or she's got to have the model do it?
I'm going to one-hand it.
That's not fair. I didn't know there was Phil around.
Yeah, I got to use your surroundings, Peter.
All right. Sure you don't want me to assist you with that, Phil?
No. I can do it all by myself. All right, but I want your hands in it. So like, when you give me your hands, put them behind your head and like give me bed head, like beautiful headache bed head. Yes. Peter's gonna send me personal text messages like, Vanessa, what the hell? Ooh, do that again, go down like you did. Yep, and then back up to me. Yes. So give like, this is here, and then you can come kind of like behind. Nice. And then you gotta give me a giggle, like a actual laugh out loud. You didn't do it. And then this is like a Manny Ortiz thing, you do like beautiful headache, like this. But you'll do prettier than me. Yes, and go chin down a little, and then stick your whole head towards me a bit. Yeah, right there. So turn dead on towards me, and do like just kind of a little here, and like shoulders forward, and then like asymmetrical. Yes, exactly. And then keep that, chin down a little bit. Awesome. I think that last one's my favorite. All right, let's look at them.
Let's look at them.
Did I do good?
You did great.
I'm not nearly as funny as you are.
No, but you did great.
Going home and practicing my catchphrases.
She's got the hands and the hair blowing, and I went all like straight up. So we'll see.
We'll see.
She's good.
Let's get that laptop. All right, so these are your shots first.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I love this kind of stuff.
Spacebar, yeah.
I love that kind of stuff.
It's the good stuff, the real expressions.
I do like the first shot though.
Right?
Like this.
Oh.
Oh, blurry. Got the wall.
Who?
This is good though.
That one is good.
I like that.
I think that's the first time I've ever really seen you shoot. Do you just have all of those expressions, all those like smile triggers in your back pocket?
Yeah. My thing about smiling is that when they smile, they forget about the camera, and then the next shot, I get them. They don't get in that modelly thing.
Yeah.
I love
That's
this stuff.
cute.
If I don't see stuff like this, I'm not doing my job.
I love it.
Oh, this is beautiful. This looks nice.
Yeah, and you're right.
Hair
Look at
looks
that.
good.
That was right
That's
after
pretty.
the expression.
The lens looks good. The sharpness is good. The
Not bad,
quality's
right?
pretty good. I love these kind of shots because then I know I'm doing my job. If somebody's having fun on a shoot, they're going to give me their best. They're going to give me the serious stuff. They're going to give me the smiley stuff. You're building trust, so I like that.
And that's a little
like that
blurry,
kind
but
of
I
stuff.
like it
I
because
don't mind
it
the
has
blur.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't mind the blur if they're jumping around. I just start shooting.
Which is a little harder to do with that camera because it doesn't quite keep up as much. Maybe if I put it on like burst.
Like I love this. This is awesome. I love
That's
that.
perfect.
I love that. I love that. That means I'm doing my job.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to get something like that afterwards that's more genuine.
Mm-hmm.
And this looks very cute. You see the difference in the expressions where it's a little bit less what I consider modelly.
Right.
I want them to be
More them.
cute, and then
I can tell right away your expressions are
that's beautiful.
way better than what I got out of her.
So this has what I call camera invisibility. It looks, she's looking through the lens at me. I'm creating that trust, and then the look to the lens looks like she's looking at a human rather than in a camera, and that's my thing.
That's what you're going
That's
for.
what I'm going for.
And you went all horizontal on these.
You know, I'm just a horizontal shooter. If I want to crop vertically, I crop vertically. It's not a modelly, posy type thing. It's a reaction to something.
Yep.
You feel it naturally come out. I like that kind of stuff.
Now,
Here we
would you
go.
retouch these? Would you edit these? What's your process?
I do a little retouching on them. I
Okay.
mean, all my stuff gets processed a little bit. I think this is probably the ticket.
I think so.
I think we'll go with that.
All right. So that's one I'll print out. And I don't even want to look at mine. She moved a lot, which I had a hard time with.
Yeah, and the hair's out of
And the
control.
hair is out of control. But there are some
That's pretty hot.
that I
That's
did.
hot.
Like, now it's in a little focus, but her eyes down. Yeah, and with her hair, I definitely like shooting vertical more because I want to see her hair.
Look at that.
She's so cute. But I do like my bridal trick where I make people laugh out loud. Yeah, I like yours so much better. I feel like I've learned a lot. That's a good
great.
smirk.
That's great.
That
one's
that
tough
might
to
be
beat.
my favorite.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, I think
Beautiful.
that'll be it. All right.
Beautiful.
A little ear tuck, which I didn't think I liked, but I don't mind it here.
Yeah, no,
it
it's
works.
okay. It works. It balances.
I'll probably crop it like I don't
balances
want to
out.
see her.
Yeah, I don't like the arm going
arm.
in the frame like that.
Yep. All right. So I'm gonna do a little editing, a little printing, and that's it. Thanks so much.
We had some fun.
We had some
It was
fun.
cool. Thanks
I
for
learned
having
some
me.
things.
Yeah. Shebang.
You didn't even say shebang,
I
and
said
you
it just
still
now.
made magic. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching us shoot. Now it's time for the final process. And I do say final process. You know, in my wedding photography, I truly feel that my first job is to capture the story, but the rest of my job is to tell it, and that means printing it, whether it's in an album or like what we'll do today with individual prints. Now we're using the Canon Pixma Pro 200. This printer right now is $5.99, so you're getting a lot of quality out of a lesser price printer. We'll also be using Canon paper. I have a whole bunch of paper here. We've got premium rough, we've got more of a consumer-friendly matte photo paper, and then we have their premium matte photo paper as well as their premium luster photo paper. Some of them maybe I want to be this big, this 13 by 19. Some I'll put 2 on a page, but either way, let's get the printing. I'll choose papers based on the photos and what I think will look best when they print. Let's print. All right, so this I printed out both Peter's and mine. Peter's is on the top, mine is on the bottom. This is the more consumer-friendly matte paper, and I have to say it came out great. I decided to print them both on the same piece of paper because I wanted a smaller final image. If I print it on this whole thing, it's gonna look a little bit larger than life, so we went for putting them both on the same piece of paper, and then I will cut it later. I did make a little boo-boo and accidentally overlapped the two images, but it's okay. I think it'll be fine if I cut a little bit of the head off. Actually, tell me in the comments, what do you guys think about headshots and the top of the head being cut off? Just a thought, just a little topical discussion. Anyway, so let me know which one of these that you like best. Peter's on the top or mine on the bottom. These were taken with the Canon M50 Mark II. Fantastic camera. It really is just a fantastic camera. More budget friendly on the newer side of things. And yeah, let me know what you think of these budget photography gear shootouts. I have a whole playlist of them, so check the rest of them out. Thank you so much to Peter Hurley for being with me on this episode. Make sure you hit subscribe, like, all the things. Bye.